Let us discuss some technical terms related to leveling. The first is level surface. Okay. So what is level surface? Level surface is any surface parallel to mean spheroidal surface of the earth. That is any surface parallel to the mean spheroidal surface of the earth. What is the shape of earth? It is the spheroidal. So what is level surface? Any surface parallel to mean spheroidal surface of the earth. Okay. So here we can consider as a level surface as a curved surface. As a curved surface like this. If we consider various lines, then these lines which is parallel to the spherical surface of the earth, main spherical surface of the earth, then it is called as level surface. We can say that the earth surface is undulated. Then how this surface is curved? Level surface is curved. What is here? It is written. It is the mean spheroidal surface. That is mean. Okay. So it is the distance of, if we consider the radius of the earth, that is suppose this is the radius of the earth, then these are the points joining equidistance from the radius of the curve. That is nothing but the level surface. Thus level surface is regarded as a curved surface. Okay, this curved surface is always normal to the plumb line. Here we are come across a new definition, that is plumb line. Okay, so what is plumb line? It is the direction shown by the plumb bob. That is, if we held, suppose if there is any thread, and if we attach any plumb bob to that, then it will always show you one direction. That direction is called as plumb line. That direction is called plumb line. And this plumb bob always show us the direction of center of gravity of earth. It is always directed towards center of gravity of the earth. And this direction shown by plumb bob is called plumb line. Whenever you hold a plumb bob, what it shows? It shows you a vertical line. Thus, this level surface is always normal to the plumb line. This level surface is always normal to the plumb line at all the points. Can we see the level surface? Yes. If we see the water in a lake, water in a still lake, then you can see that water will always have a same level. Okay, and that level we can consider as a level surface. What we have seen level surface. We have seen this plumb line, and next term is level line. What is level line? Okay, then what is this level line? Any line lying on this level surface. Let it be this line. Any line which is lying on this level surface is called as level line. Thus, any line lying on the level surface, that on this level surface, any line is called as a level line. And as the level surface is always, all the points of the level surface are normal to the plumb line, so here also all the points lying on the level line are also normal to the plumb line. Okay, the next line is vertical line, that just we have discussed. That is, vertical line at any point is a line normal to the level surface. Okay, and that line nothing but the plumb line. Plumb line. Vertical line through any point is a line normal to the level surface from that point. Then to that point, this is the line normal to the level. Next concept is, then what is the vertical plane? Then the plane containing that vertical line, this vertical line, it is called as a vertical plane. The next term is horizontal plane. Okay, what is horizontal plane? If we consider this level surface, suppose this is the level surface and any plane tangential to this level surface from any point, okay, is called as horizontal plane. Then the next is the horizontal line. Okay, and any line lying in horizontal plane, it called as the horizontal line. If this is a level surface, if we consider any point and any line tangential to this level surface from that point, then this is called as the horizontal line. And this line, this we can say that this line is a, because it is tangential to the level surface. And then this line is also perpendicular to our vertical line, that is plumb line. This line is perpendicular to the plumb line at that point. This line we can consider it as a vertical line. This line we can consider as a vertical line. Okay, this horizontal line is perpendicular to the plumb line at that point. Okay, clear up to this? Let us move towards the next term. Coming to the next important definition, that is datum surface or a line. What is level surface? Any surface parallel to means periodic surface of the earth. There can be multiple number of level surface. Okay, here in the diagram you can see this is the undulated surface of the earth. Okay, earth is not plain as a we can say as a some ball or like, okay, it has some undulated shapes. Okay, so there can be different level surface. Okay, one level surface you can see passing through this because it has some, this surface is passing through at some equidistance from the center of the earth. Okay, so this is one level surface, this is another level surface, this is also level surface. But in leveling we measure the vertical distances or elevation of different points or object on the earth surface. Okay, then to measure that distances we need some datum. Okay, datum means we have to assume that if I say this point is at a higher elevation than this point. Okay, if there are 2 points only, then I can say that this point is at higher elevation from this point. Okay, if there is another point, then also I can say, okay, these 2 points are at higher elevation from this point, or these 2 points are at lower elevations from this point. Means these 2 points are higher from this point, or these 2 points are lower than this point if there are 3 points. Are you getting? It's a simple. Means for comparing we need something. Okay. So here we have compared these two distance of these 2 points, vertical distance of these 2 points comparison to the point which is lower than these 2 points. So we can see this point is higher than this point is higher than this point. Okay. Or we can say this point is lower at lower elevation from this point and this point is at some lower elevation from this point. Okay, so we need something for comparison. Okay, now it is up to 3 points. If there are multiple points, okay, then how you can say which point is at higher elevation from which point, and it will be also confusing. So we need always some surface to compare. Here, if we see this is the line, then I can say these all points are above these all points are above this line, and this is nothing but the datum surface. What is datum surface? It is the arbitrary assumed level surface. Arbitrary assumed level surface or line. Okay, from which vertical distances are measured. Okay, suppose here I assume this as a datum surface, then I can measure the height of each point, height of each of these points from this surface by this arbitrary assumed surface, that is nothing but we can call it as a datum surface. So the surface, arbitrary assumed surface from which we measure the vertical distances of different points. It is called as datum surface of datum line. Did you get it? What is leveling? In leveling, we measure vertical distances or elevations of the points. Okay. Suppose what I told you, suppose there are 2 or 3 points only, then we can compare it easily. This is a point A, B, C. Then these B and C point are at higher elevation from point A, or point A, B is at lower elevation from the point C, or B point is lower than point C, or higher than point A. Okay, but if there are multiple points, then we need to assume some surface. From that, we can compare, we can measure all these points, distances of all these points. So that, like that, this point A is at a distance of 2 meter from this datum, point B is at a distance of 10 meter from this distance, and point C is at a distance of 30 meter from this distance. So I measure the distance of all these points from certain arbitrary assumed level surface or a level line, and that is nothing but the datum surface. Got it? So there may be different level surface, but from this level surface we assume one surface from which, with respect to that surface, we assume we measure the vertical distances of different points lying on anywhere on the earth. Okay, from that surface, respect to that surface, we measure the vertical distances of different point lying anywhere on the earth. That surface we can call is as a datum surface. Okay, this is important term. Got it? Now here, if there are different level lines, here I can say that this is my datum. I can say this is as a datum. Okay, so for India, we have measured the vertical distances of different points. Now, what is vertical distances and how we have measured that, we will come to know as we move forward. But for say here, as I have told you, we are assume some arbitrary line. From that, we have measured the vertical distance of different points from the surface. That we have measured the height of Himalaya. Okay, or we have measured some depth of sea. Okay, from for that we need some datum, arbitrary assumed surface. Okay, so what is the height of Himalaya? Let it be, or any other mountain. What is the height of that hill? It is this much meter. But from what? From datum. Okay, so we need some, what we can say, we need some surface. From that surface we can measure the height of different objects or different points. That surface is called datum surface. So for India, our assumed datum surface is mean sea level at Karachi. It is at datum surface is at our, we generally assume it as a sea level. Okay, mean sea level. So for India, we have assumed datum as a mean sea level, which is at Karachi, which now which is it in Pakistan, and it is for GTS survey, that is Great Trigonometric Survey. We'll come across this also. Okay, for GTS survey, Great Trigonometric Survey. Okay, we assumed mean sea level, or we can say that we assume datum surface as a mean sea level at Karachi. Then the next related term is the reduced level. Okay, so from datum we measure the vertical distances of a different points. Okay, with respect to datum surface. Okay, so next point is reduced level. This is nothing but the vertical distance of any point. Vertical distance of any point with respect to datum surface. Okay, that is the vertical distance of a point above or below datum is known as RL. Suppose here to measure the distances, we assume some datum surface as a some mean sea level. Okay, from which we measure the heights of different points on the Earth surface. So reduced level is nothing but the distance of that point from this datum surface. Distance of a point above or below the datum surface. Based on the if the point this is the datum surface. If this is the datum surface, okay. Then if this is the point, if this point is above, then we can say that this is the RL of this point. Okay, this point is above this datum surface by suppose 100 meter. Then we can say RL of this point is 100 meter. That is RL means vertical distance of this point from datum surface. Got it? If there is any point which is below datum surface, then it is below datum surface. Then we can say that RL of this point is 100 meter. Means 100 meter below datum surface. That's why it is minus. If point is above the datum surface, its value will be positive. If the point is below datum surface, then its value is minus. Okay. So this is nothing but reduced level is nothing but distance of point measured from datum surface. Okay. So we have measured the difference of various point on the Earth surface with respect to datum. Okay, so distance of that point is, we can call it as a reduced level. Okay, got it? What is reduced level? Reduced level is nothing but a vertical distance of some point with respect to datum surface. Okay, vertical distance of a point above or below datum surface is known as RL. So here in leveling, what we are doing, we are measuring the vertical heights of different points. Okay, so how we are measuring vertical distance of different points? With respect to some datum surface, arbitrary assumed surface. From with respect to that, we measure the vertical heights of different points on the surface. And what is reduced level? Reduced level is nothing but the distance of that point from the datum. If that point is above, then it will be plus. If that point is below, then it will be the minus. Okay. Then the next related term is comes as a benchmark. Okay. These three terms are most important in leveling. Okay. Datum surface, reduced level. Next is benchmark. Benchmark is nothing but a point of known RL. Point of known RL. Point of that is known reduced level. Reduced level is can be written as RL. The point of known RL means the benchmark is nothing but a point whose reduced level is known to us. Okay, that is distance of that point from the datum surface is known to us. Okay, that point of known RL is called as benchmark. Okay, got till this point?